Shorman and others, Charles and Lessons and Ronald Davis and other stuff. This is very quite interesting computational program. Most of my favorite, right? So if you look at the fundamentals, uh, it's not that much easy. It's all the mathematical terms and other calculations, right? It can be understandable, right? Not that much hard. Inheritance and doing all the stuff. So, 1,330 page, the whole book. So if we implement the whole books, it's very easy for us to understand all the algorithms and how all the systems and all the frameworks works, right? So this is all about for today. We don't have enough time to understanding. We don't have enough time to implementing all of this stuff, right? But it's nice. You just scroll and 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 scroll. What's the name of the page? What is algorithm, right? 7, 2, 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, 9, 7, 8, 0, 2, 8, 0, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3. What is the algorithm, right? So thank you.